Hi, my name is Ava. Christmas Eve is coming soon and I am so excited. Christmas is my favorite time of the year. It means family, love, and fun. This year, though, I don't want toys or games. I want something different. I want something special for my family. We're not a rich family, but we have each other. My mom works so hard every day. She cooks, cleans, and takes care of me. She's always busy. My dad works at a big store, and he's tired when he gets home, but he still smiles and talks to me. I love them both very much, and I want them to be happy. On Christmas Eve, we sit together in the living room. We drink hot chocolate, and my mom tells stories from her childhood. We decorate the Christmas tree together. I hang the shiny ornaments and light the candles. The lights on the tree twinkle, making the room feel magical. But this year, I see that my parents are tired. They've worked hard all year, and I can see it in their eyes. They don't ask for help, but I can tell they need a break. That night, after my parents say goodnight, I sit by the Christmas tree. I close my eyes and think about my family. I wish for them to be happy. I wish for them to rest and enjoy Christmas without feeling tired. I wish I could give them the best Christmas ever, I think. Then, I fall asleep with that wish in my heart, hoping it will come true. The next morning, I wake up early. The sun hasn't even risen yet, but I can already feel the Christmas magic in the air. I jump out of bed and rush to the living room. The tree is still sparkling with lights. The gifts under the tree look so special. But something is different today. I notice a small piece of paper on the floor near the tree. I pick it up and read it aloud to myself. Dear Ava, your wish has been heard. Watch closely. Love, Santa. My heart beats faster. Could this really be from Santa? I look around the room, waiting for something to happen. Suddenly, I hear a soft sound coming from outside the window. It sounds like bells ringing. I walk to the window and see a beautiful sleigh outside in the snow, glowing with Christmas lights. The reindeer stand quietly beside it. It looks like something from a Christmas story. Santa? I whisper, my eyes wide with surprise. I run to my parents' room and wake them up. Look outside, I shout. They blink and look confused, but they follow me to the window. What is this? My dad asks, his voice filled with wonder. I smile and say, I think it's for us. As we watch, the note in my hand starts to glow again. I open it up and read the second part. Take a ride and you will find the gift of Christmas. I turn to my parents and ask, do you want to take a ride with me? They look at each other, smiling. Yes, let's go, my dad says. We step outside into the cold, snowy morning, ready for the adventure ahead. We walk out into the cold air, my breath forming little clouds as we make our way to the sleigh. The reindeer stand still, and the sleigh driver, a man in a red suit with a white beard, waves at us. Hello, Ava, he says warmly. I've been waiting for you. You know my name? I ask, surprised. Of course, he replies with a wink. Santa told me about your wish. We climb into the sleigh, and it's so warm and cozy inside. The sleigh begins to rise into the air. We're flying above the snow-covered ground. I look down and see the village below, the houses covered in white snow. The Christmas lights on the trees twinkle in the distance, and the stars above are shining brightly. It feels like we're floating in a dream. "Where are we going?" I ask, looking around at the beautiful sights. "To find the real gift of Christmas," the sleigh driver says. We fly over mountains and forests, feeling the wind on our faces. The sleigh slowly starts to descend. I see a small village below, glowing with warm light. There are children playing in the snow, and adults laughing and talking. It's like something from a Christmas storybook. As the sleigh lands gently in the village square, I feel my heart racing with excitement. This place feels magical. "Where are we?" I ask, looking at the sleigh driver. "This is a special place," he says with a smile. "This is where Christmas magic begins. And now, it's time to find your gift." The village is full of love and joy. People are singing Christmas carols, and children are playing games in the snow. I see one person giving a coat to a little girl, while another hands out hot cocoa to a group of children. Everywhere I look, people are helping each other and sharing what they have. I realize this is the true magic of Christmas. I turn to my parents and say, "This is the real Christmas gift. It's not about presents or toys. It's about kindness, sharing, and love." My dad smiles, looking around at the village. "I think you're right, Ava. This is what Christmas is all about." We walk around the village and I see more people sharing and helping. Some are singing, others are cleaning the streets, and many are sitting together talking and laughing. I feel so happy and peaceful. This is the magic of Christmas. Being with people you love and sharing love with others. As we walk back to the sleigh, the driver says, "I hope you remember this Christmas. It's the kind of Christmas that stays in your heart forever." We fly back to our home, and when we land, I feel so full of happiness. My family is together, and we've shared something beautiful. I now know that the best Christmas gift is not about toys or presents. It's about love, kindness, and spending time with the people who matter most. That night, as we sit together, I feel so grateful. This will be the best Christmas ever because we have everything we need: each other.